everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My bonga people, today topic now about this Nicole. Now no Nicole now we made that time. We made for the one born Pekin. So now it matter now I want to talk about today because the guy, his husband finally come out again. He say because people they always they ask him, say when Nicole, people they always they ask him. So now he can say, may you use the opportunity to talk him today. Say waiting in the year for social media, people they say na heart attack, na he kill the woman. People they say na high blood pressure. They talk different things. Say no, people not really know what it really happen. So anyone really can't talk what it really happen, you know. So when I just see the way the guy can't look, the thing like it they painful. Like that is why doctors say they know they quick discover what they do person. They can't let after the thing don't happen to you before you come begin they see when all of them come begin they come out, they talk. This one will come. You know, like the thing they surprised me because when this girl me I did surprised like serious like when they say what you go me this girl like that, what you me around, you know. So the guy said they not quit discover the thing, so the time when they come they discover I don't let it just be like what this thing happen to me. My fair play the husband record before I go talk my own.
Those big doctors, those people, it took them about 3 months before finding what the cause of my wife's death was. Are you mad? They go and post, she had a heart attack. The most annoying, and what is getting me so angry is the fact that, fair enough, not even fair enough, that's what they are saying, that this is what caused the death.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about the heart attack bullshit. I'm talking about the doctors. After 3 months, that's what they are saying. Why didn't they see that from a long time ago? Mommy was born in this country. Okay, let's even put that aside. I need help. I need lawyers. I need people with
big
knowledge. People that know what has been caused, like what damage has been caused, you know, because they didn't just take 2 lives, but they've destroyed so many futures. Like
people can help.
Now they see he said they need help. They need lawyers. We go fit fight this thing for them because they really know say this thing will happen so not be waiting people they talk say that they made the gay. No, not be that heart attack where people they talk. He said they need help.
What plans she had?
Big
Do you know what plans I had for her? Do you know what plans we had? Do you know what plans she had for me? Do you know what plans she had for the world? Do you know what plans she had for her family? Do you know what plans we have for Rain? They have crushed everything. Not even talk about my life, what damage they done to me. When we called the ambulance, why did it take so long?
Okay,
why did it take so long? Let's put that aside. Why are they now coming to say that they mistakenly called the wrong unit? Are you guys deep in it? They called the wrong unit. They probably called some junkie unit for my pregnant wife. They probably called a headache unit for my pregnant wife, who we described, and they knew what the condition was. They have record, they have everything. when you call them, they say everything's beautiful. They have everything of the conversation, of how, of whatever. It was a silly mistake from like some hospital and nurses or whoever. It's crazy shit. Do you know what I mean? It's crazy shit. So something to me just, I know my wife is telling me to let pregnant folks and people that are pregnant, you know, let's let them know that you need to be aware, you know, you need to be more aware. When you go one check, go double checks, tell them to be sure. You know. And I know this caused a lot of like shookness in people, pregnant people and people that wanted to have babies, you know, like a lot of people. Guys, look at how happy Nicole was. Look how happy my wife was. From the first day she told me she was pregnant. So the last day she was so Listen, I'm not here to try to cry to anybody for to cry to people, but I said when I close my eyes it's just my pain. And now it's just from a silly mistake, which is why I need help from people, you know. I need people to, you know, as I said, like, I know my wife's mom is definitely sleeping on this, but this is beyond searing, you know, because they've crushed the whole generation. They don't know, man. All these people that was posting my wife that had a heart attack, the people that were so quick. I mean, I'm not trusted. Like, no cap. Because if you don't know what happened, at least find out before you let news go out, you know? Okay, my people.
My people, like, the thing, it shocktalized me. Not be even what people they think say na ik be meron. And I know sometimes when person go get belly. Like me, if I get belly, sometimes they'll tell me say I get high blood pressure. Sometimes they'll say maybe they by yourself they take injection for hours, you know. But they not quit discover Nicole. They not quit discover what they do. My yeah, the guy saying need help. I said my own way happen. It just be like my own way. Be say when I felt my first pregnancy, where be say they not quit discover what they do me. They not quit discover am. Now the dying minute they come tell me say na high blood pressure. High blood pressure. Now God na save me. God na save me. We be say they for don't forget my enemy. High blood pressure the night. They say the BP come over high. God na save me that day. We be say I can't enter coma. I can't lose the pregnancy. I can't enter coma for 3 days coma. They can't remove the baby. The baby can't be me. After many minutes. Now God now save me. It just be like this Nicole too. And God just say I will die alive. 3 days now I stay coma. But today, thank God for my life. So a person get belay, make daughters, I beg. I know say they not be God, but at least make God use them. Make they quick discover what they do person. Make they quick discover now. Because I believe say if they quick discover this Nicole, she for not me. Oh, I just pray make God give the guy the heart. May if it move on. Because it's not easy. A woman and one adult they used together just go like that. It's very, very painful. So my darling people, this topic now just to advise our people. Say if you get belly, they pray, just they prayerful, really. They prayerful, eh? Because this one where I put on the cause, it may happen to anybody. Someone will just they prayerful. I beg the guy saying need help. So anybody when no say him be big lawyer, all those be big lawyer, all those you know, I beg me we try, me we support this guy, me if he fight this battle. because this battle will not be for only one person. Thank you, everybody. Take care. I hope you learn from this one. Thank you, everybody. So anything you think, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you and bye.